Welcome to G12 Homeschooling. Greetings from Srinivas, Day 11, Structured Water and Unstructured Water. Today, let us know how to prepare structured water. What is structured water and unstructured water? What are the differences between structured water and unstructured water? First of all, let me show you how to prepare structured water at your house. To make the structured water, we need a copper plate of this much size. No doubt, even you can make structured water by using copper pots. Copper pots are costly, almost all 5,000 to 6,000 in the market, and cleaning process of copper pots is very difficult. Without cleaning the copper pot, if you go on pouring the water without cleaning, if you go on using, it is very harmful. I will show you how to prepare structured water very easily. Take a copper plate of this much size. As it is a lockdown period, if you don't have copper plates at your house, you can take copper glass or copper bottle also. Any item which made with copper. Till lockdown period you can use. Once the lockdown period over, you can buy a copper plate of this much size. Take water in the steel pot or mud pot at night time and immerse the copper plate into the steel pot. Close it with a lid and let it be overnight. Next day in the morning, you take out the copper plate from the pot. You observe the copper plate in the morning. When you observe it, the color is changed, and what happened throughout the night. Because of the copper plate, the water turned into structured water. How it turned into structured water, I will explain. And if you observe this copper plate, unwanted particles, harmful microorganisms like bacteria and virus get deposited on the copper plate. Now you can clean the copper plate by rubbing with salt and lemon. Don't use detergents and scrubbers to clean the copper plate. After cleaning the copper plate, you can keep it aside. Again in the night, take sufficient water in the steel pot or mud pot and immerse the copper plate. This structured water you can use for drinking and cooking purpose. Actually, how the copper plate made the water into structured water? Generally, copper, silver, and gold metals have unique property. In the outer shell, there will be a shuffling of electron from s orbital to d orbital to get the stability. This shuffling and spin of the electron makes the water into structured water. Structured water is nothing but a systematic arrangement of oxygen and hydrogen ions. Okay, what are the advantages of this structured water? Generally, copper and zinc, these type of minerals will be present in the water. Our intestine will absorb easily if we use structured water, and it will be easy to excrete the unwanted particles, unwanted harmful microorganisms, bacteria and virus from the intestine. Moreover, if you use unstructured water, even your body may get dehydrated. And unstructured water, if you use, your intestine can't absorb the zinc, selenium, and copper minerals into the digestive system. In the ancient days, Indians used to take the water from running streams like rivers, water running through mountains, dancing through curves and corners. Because of the kinetic energy, the water getting itself into structured form, it is nature's gift. But nowadays, water is running through the plastic pipes and overhead tanks. Because of this plastic nanoparticles entering into our human body, it is damaging the digestive system and intestine. Even you can make the water into structured form by using silver and gold plates also, as they are very costly, and the shuffling of electron will be slow in the gold plates and silver plates compared to copper plates. So you can make the water getting into structure with copper plate very easily. Here you may get doubt, why can't I use copper pots for making the water getting into structure? Actually, if you use copper pot, every day you have to clean the copper pot very carefully, because unwanted harmful bacteria virus get deposited at the bottom layer of the copper pot. You have to clean it either with lemon, salt, or tamarind and clean the copper vessel perfectly. Otherwise, without cleaning, if you go on using the copper pot for days together, it will be also very harmful. And one more doubt. Shall I take the water from tap for making structured water, or should I take the water from RO filter? Here the answer is very clear. If the TDS means total dissolved substances, TDS, if the TDS of water is below 400, you can use the tap water directly. The water supplied by the Telangana state government through Mission Bhagirath, it is TDS below 500 and it is safe. You can take that water directly into steel pots and you can immerse the copper plate. You can check if you can check your tap water TDS. If the TDS is below 500, you can take it directly. If the TDS is above 500, compulsory you have to purify the water through RO system or any other water filters available in the market. That water you can take into steel pots. What is TDS? Total dissolved substances. Generally, whenever you go out, we are having a habit of purchasing the mineral PET water bottles. Many of the companies, mineral PET bottles, TDS is below 100. There are only 2 companies in the market whose TDS is above 100. The TDS levels from 100 to 300 are ideal to use. Even if it is above 500 or below 100, we are not supposed to take that water. Himalaya company and one more company, Aqua, only these 2 PET water bottles TDS is above 100. Remaining all water bottles TDS is below 100. Where do I get TDS meters? You can order TDS meters online in Amazon and Flipkart, etc. Once the lockdown opens, you can order for TDS meters and you can check what is the TDS of your tap water and RO water. I suggest all the parents to send the structured water in the water bottles to school, and whenever you use water for drinking and cooking purpose at your home, try to use the structured water. If you use the structured water continuously for 3 to 6 months, there will be a improvement in the health of the children. Whatever nano plastic particles get deposited in the intestine of the children will be excreted and they will feel healthy. Thank you for watching my videos. Day 11, structured water and unstructured water. Thank you all.